Is the SBA 504 loan a better option than the 7A loan for commercial real estate deals? And what are the key differences between the two?
It could be. 504 is good if you want to hold long term because it's got a 10-year declining prepay. The 504 has got two loans. It's a first and a second. The bank funds the first and second initially. Once the certificate of occupancy happens, if there is a construction process, or after the interim loan closes on the first and the second gets sold off during what's called a debenture, which typically happens 30 to 45 days after you close. So there's a first and a second with a 504, longer prepay, a little bit more fees than the 7A. The rates are typically better. Even the blended rate is better than what you would get on the 7A potentially. But right now, what I'm advising clients mostly, and it's all case by case because there's no situation that's the same. I say let's do a comparison between the two, and then I'll have you make a decision. But right now, I believe rates are going to go down. So if I can get you if there's commercial real estate involved, obviously if we're talking about the 504, it's either that or machines, heavy machinery. So I'm figuring this is real estate. I have lenders that will do a fixed rate option on a 7A, and it's only got a 3-year declining prepayment penalty. So if you take today's debenture rate of 6.2 plus the senior debt at prime plus 1, you get a blended rate somewhere in the 7s, but then you're stuck, and then rates come down. And what happens when they go in the 5s, or you want to do an expansion or something like that? That's why right now I think still the 7A may make more sense. The 504 can also do bigger deals. So sometimes it's 504 because of the size of the deal, or because we're using 504 green. There's not one size fits all. That's the best thing I can tell you to do if you have a deal and you want to figure out how to finance it. Just go to bookwithbo.com.
Are you trying to escape the W-2 rat race? Or have you always wanted to own your own business? Have you ever thought about owning a franchise? If so, franuniversity.com can help. Our training program teaches you everything you need to know about franchise ownership, from choosing the right franchise to launching and running your business. We have the resources and specialists to help you from A to Z. You'll gain the skills and knowledge you need to succeed as a franchise owner. The best part, it's free to join. Go to franuniversity.com.
Hey guys, Bo Eckstein here. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe to this channel. We talk all things financing. I've been in the lending industry for over 20 years, and I'm happy to answer your questions and provide great content.